See you in Tokyo! Ito sa BTS pop-up in Tokyo. Luxury seafood buffet here in Tokyo Shinjuku. Ang mga kailangan nyo i-prepare before your trip to Japan. Hindi pa rin naka-on yung mic ko kanina, but now it's on. We are now at NAIA Terminal 3. We are heading to... Saan tayo pupunta?
Japan?
Yes, we're going to Tokyo, Japan. It's April 13. I think medyo late na for cherry blossoms, but it's BTS concert and I'm going with my niece and my sister. So wala namang questions sa immigration. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. This is I'm the girl who travels. And yeah, sama kayo sa akin. I'll try to vlog as much as possible. Like, I've been to Japan so many times, pero usually kasi talaga family trip siya. So, hindi ko na-vlog yung mga details, or kung lalabas man ako, nahihiya rin ako mag-vlog talaga sa labas. But this time, I'll try to vlog more. Let's go! So, ito itsura ng airport. May mga ginagawa. So, tapos na kami sa security, sa immigration, and we're now heading to the boarding gates. Pero, kakain muna kami. I'm very hungry. Hi guys, update. It's 4 something AM. Babalik kami. Kasi, nag-iba ng boarding gate. From 109, naging 116. Tulungan mo kami maghanap ng boarding gate, baby, ha? Okay. 116. Parang first time ko mag-board sa 116. 116! Yay! Medyo weird. First time ko mapunta dito. Tama kaya to? Sana wag na nilang palitan after. Kasi magkabilang dulo yung 109 tsaka 116. Tapos mag-elevator kami pababa. Go, go. Bongga. Guys, first time ko dito sa boarding gate na to, 116. And ito lang yung flight na nandito ngayon, the Tokyo Narita flight. And may sarili siyang CR, may sarili siyang vending machines and everything. Waiting for our flight to Tokyo, Japan. And let me run down kung ano yung mga checklist or mga kailangan nyo i-prepare before your trip to Japan. So first, you have to have a Japan visa. You can't go to Japan without a visa, guys. You have to apply for one. I hold a multiple entry, so we're good to go. Okay, and next, you also have a round-trip flight to Japan. I booked mine via Cebu Pacific Air. You also need to fill out the Visit Japan website. It will ask about your travel plans. May kasama ka bang family, saan ka mag-stay and everything, and yung customs declaration din para mabilis na sa immigration sa Japan. You also have to fill out your e-travel for the Philippines immigration. You also have to have your insurance, guys. Don't forget about your insurance. In 2024, nakaget ako ng ASO sa Japan. Lesson learned, di na ako umaalis ng walang insurance. And your eSIM as well, para hindi wala ka nang i-claim pagdating sa airport sa Tokyo. And both of that, well, actually, the hotel stays, the insurance, and the eSIM, you can book on Klook. It's my code, Girl Who Travels, Klook for a discount. And if you're using Agoda naman for your hotels and activities, you may use my code Agoda Girl for the hotels and Girl Agoda for the activities. We are now boarded sa A330neo Cebu Pacific Air. This plane is really special for me kasi I was invited to tour their 100th plane, which is an A330neo. So, yes, ayan, nasa window seat yung pamangkin ko and yung sister ko. Yung config ng plane na to is tig 2 seats na lang dito sa may likuran, yung sa may window seat. So, 2 seats lang yan, but here sa akin naman, 3 seat configuration naman and 2 seat din doon. So, nito kami sa may likuran. We requested, I always request sa likuran talaga kasi there are less people usually. But I think this is a full flight, so hindi naman maiiwasan na mapuno talaga siya kasi nga full flight. See you, Tokyo! Hi guys! We have arrived in Narita. long time no see, Japan. Last time was May 2024. And then, ayun nga, nag-No Japan Challenge ako noong 2025. And now we're back! Ayan guys, gumana naman agad yung SIM na binili ko. Ayan, travel. Naka-on na siya and nagagamit ko naman siya. Ayan, naka 4G siya ngayon but I have the option to make it 5G. And kung tatanungin nyo gaano karaming beses na ako nag-eSIM, ayan, lahat ng bansang pinuntahan ko naka-eSIM. Ang first schedule namin today on our second day is pumunta doon sa luxury buffet sa Shinjuku. So, punta kami sa Hatagaya Station. Tapos, Shinjuku na baba natin. Tapos, from there, maglalakad na lang kami. Yan guys, nasa loob na tayo ng station. I'm so bored of going to all the sweaty clubs. I'm just gonna order to credential on my heart, yeah. I'm not looking at my phone. Text back, pick up your call. If you wanna hear me out, well I really care. Hey guys, nasa Shinjuku na kami and we're just walking to the restaurant. Yung sister ko kasi yung assigned sa navigation. So ayan. Merong mga araw na wala sila. Hindi kami magkasama. So ako na bahala doon sa aking navigation. Guys, ito na yung Zahapo. It's in this building. It's na ngayon sa luxury seafood buffet here in Tokyo, Shinjuku. And you can see lots of snow crab legs. We have king crab legs over here. They also have sushi and different kinds of seafood here. Ayan, may normal naman na crabs. Wow, scallops. Ang laki. My gosh. There's cheese. We also have sushi. Akala ko wala masyadong tao.
If there's a world where we don't end up together, I'm gonna lose my mind. And if this life
Do you wanna try
really
this?
does go on
Do you wanna try the
forever,
main crab?
I know I choose you every time. You say you're the only one for me, yeah. So if you love me,
BTS
then
song.
tell me how much longer do I have to wait? I'm not getting any stronger. I'm losing my faith, and I could be wrong, but I swear it's true. Yeah, even if the world gives up on us, I won't give up
Ang lalaki,
on you.
sinindatan siya. Ako yung kinilig. Guys, nakapasok na kami pero pinapunta muna kami sa staircase. Guys, ito ang sitwasyon dito sa BTS Pop-Up in Tokyo. Ayan ang mga t-shirts. Makakapili kayo kung sinong gusto nyo. Ayan ang mga t-shirt, tour shirt. Pero puro sold out na halos. You know, sold out, sold out. Sold out. Guys, medyo nahihilo na ako. Hindi ko alam sa bakit. Sa pagod, sa puyat, or sa dami ng tao. Ito yung mga jersey. Hindi ko gets bakit gusto to ng mga tao. Ay nako, hindi na ako makapagsalita, nahihilo na ako. So guys, order ba kayo? Magpasabay na kayo. Puro sold out na nga, hindi ko sure kung mabibili ko kayo. But apple juice for the baby. And then I ordered soy hojicha tea latte. May ano daw to, Jai? May ano ba to? Mocha pa.
No, you only come if you think that makes us even. If I would've stayed till you're okay, I know by now. You tell all your